Does your monitor look washed out, too dark, or have weird colors? Windows has a built-in tool that can fix in just a few minutes. Press Window key plus R, type DCCW, press enter and press next and press next and next. Here is adjust gamma. First adjust gamma until small dots are barely visible. In my opinion, set it in lowest or in here and press next and press next and next and also press next. And now here is adjust color balance. Don't touch it, only press next and then finish. And then press here is you can select which monitor do you want to calibrate. You can manually select here. So I want to make only one monitor to look like this. So press next and only press next and then finish. Now your PC look like this to this. And the best part, you didn't install anything. Follow for more quick PC tips that can actually improve your PC experience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.